Number 18. Outside. Senator pala yun. Inbound. Number 28 pass to number 35. Mercolita. Number 35 pass to number 13. Ramos. Back by number 20. Laki nun. Number 13. Kuha pa rin ni Ramos ang bola. Three to shoot. Ramos for 2 points. Inbound, number 20. Pass to number 28. Number 28, pass to number 21. Muntikan pa. Pass to number 28. Jump shot. No good. Now number 01 ang bola. Pass to number 35. Number 35, Mercolita. Pass to number 05. Wow! No good. Number 18, Senator Bong Revilla for 2 points. Inbound, number 35, pass to number 13, back to number 35. Number 35, Mercolita, pass to number 01. Nakuha ni number 28 ang bola. Number 28, pass to number 01. Pass to number 05. Number 05, binigay kay number 13, Ramos. 8 to shoot. Ramos, jump shot. Foul, counted. Loose foul, number 20. First personal foul, first team foul. No good. Still by number 28. Jump shot for 2. A foul.
20.
Number 20. Second personal foul. Second team foul. One point. Okay, inbound. Inbound, number 18. Number 18, pass to number 11, back to number 18, jump shot. For 2, Mr. Senator. Number 35, binababa na ang bola, Mercolita. Number 35, dribble the ball. Number 35, pass to number 01, pass to number 05. Number 05, jump shot. For 2 points. For 2 points. Number 21, nabitawan ang bola, pero nakuha niya pa rin. Pinasa kay number 11, Trinidad. Trinidad, turn to shoot. Ang taas ng pasa ni Trinidad. Outside. Taas ng pasa. Ilang bubok. Number 05, jump shot again, no good. One number 28, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 21. Number 21, big shot, jump shot. Oh, foul counted. Who's foul?
35.
Number 35, first personal foul. First team foul. No good. Rebound by number 13. Number 13, binababa ang bola. Number 13, pass to number 05. Number 05, sumalaksak na naman. Wow, no good. Number 01, no good. Rebound by number 20, pass to number 21. Number 21, diniretso na. Umikot pa, umikot na umikot. Pintinira, no good. Nakakuha ni number outside. Same. Away for subdivision rep. Subdivision. Inbound, number 11. Pass to number 21, jump shot. No, no good. For 2 points. Pinababa ni number 35 ang bola. Number 35, dribble the ball. Mercolita. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Nakita si number 23. Pass to number 14, jump shot. No good. Kuha ni number 28 ang bola. Pass to number 20. Pass break to number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Fadeaway shot. Foul. First foul, number 14. 14. Sabdo. First personal foul. Subdivision rep. Second team foul. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good again. Time out. TSLBE team. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Inbound. Inbound number 28. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Binawa na ang bola. Number 35. Jump shot. 4-3 points. Inbound number 20. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Binababa ang bola. Number 18, pass to number 21. Number 21, lumipat, sinira, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 21 ang bola, nakakuha ng foul. Foul. Number 28. First personal foul. Third team foul. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good again. 3-point by number 20. Tinira. Foul counted, right? First personal foul. Warning to penalty. That's one shot to Paltrow. 1 point. Inbound number 28. Pass to number 23. Number 23, dribble the ball. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Hanap ng papasahan. Number 14, time to shoot. Number 14. Fadeaway shot, no good. Rebound by number 15, Senator. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Umigot pa. Pinasa kay number 10. Number 10. Dribble the ball. Number 10, pinasa kay number 21. Turn to shoot. Number 21, pass to number 18. Number 18, fadeaway shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 21 ang bola, pass to number 18. Number 18, Weezy layup for 2. Ang uhusay ni Senat. Number 23, dribble the ball. So Pandino, pass to number 35, Mercolita. Mercolita, pinasa kay number 23, Pandino, jump shot, no good. Outside, save! Ball. Inbound number 02, pass to number 28, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15, binababa ang bola. Pinasa dun. Sa outside. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Score 13-12. Number 10, jump shot. No good. Pass break kay number 35, Mercolita. Foul. Counted. Number 18. First personal foul. Third team foul. One shot to Paltrow. No good. Inbound.
Sir! 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 Urong natin konti.
Inbound, number 18, pass to number 20. Number 20, dribble the ball. Number 20. Still. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Number 20.
20 ng dilaw. 20 ng yellow.
20. Oh.
Ng yellow.
Number 20, third personal foul, third team foul. The veterans move. Rebound, number 35, pass to number 23. Number 23, dribble the ball. Number 23. Still, outside. Ang linaw ng mata ng referee. Mga 635,000 megapixel ba naman? Inbound, number 23, pass to number 35. Pass to number 28. Number 28, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Pass break to number... Oh. Nakuha pa rin ni number 15 ang bola. Number 18. Foul. Contest. Nahusay ni Senator. Number 14. Second personal foul. Penalty. No good. Rebound by number 23. Pass to number 14. Number 14, dribble the ball. Last 50 seconds. 10 to shoot. Number 35, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 23. Jump shot for 2. Last 38 seconds. Lamang na po ang Blade Master ng isa. Change favor. Same ball. 30 seconds. No good. Ang sirang spot. Nakuha ni number 23. Pass to number 35. Number 14, jump shot. No good. 20 seconds. Number 02. For 2 points. Last 13 seconds. Five seconds. No good. Number 10. Dribble the ball. Jump shot. Oh. Referee. Counter. Nagdesisyon na po ang ating referee. Counter. Okay, in, down. Inbound number 02. Pass to number 23. Number 23, jump shot for 3 points. Inbound number 18, pass to number 19. Number 19, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 10, Lorenzo. Pinalik kay number 19 ang bola, pass to number 15, Senator. Number 15, time to shoot. Naipasa sa kalaban. Outside. Lead Master ball. Number 05. Pass to number 02. Number 02, pass to number 23. Pandino jump shot, no good. Only number 02 jump shot for 2 points. Where this? Number 19, inababa ng bola. Number 19, sumalaksak pero pinasa kay number 21. Number 21, jump shot for 2. Inbound number 01, pass to number 23, Pandino. Pandino, you dribble the ball. Pass to number 02. Nagpakasakali. No good. Ang tirang spot.
Sa record. May kailangan pa ako mapirma.
Inbound number 18. Pass to number 19. Number 19, pagbangana.
Kung mahuhugod,
Number 19.
mare-record din.
Pass to number 21. Pass to number 19. Still ni number 23. Nakuha ni number 05. Number 05. Still by number 21. Nakuha ni number 19. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Dinerecho na. Oh, no good. Nakuha ni number 23 ang bola. Pandino. Pandino. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Dinerecho na for 2 points. Pa Ramos.
Bukas magpapalikod yung mga kaibigan.
Number 10, pass to number 19. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 10. Lorenzo, pass to number 15. Number 15, jump shot. For 2 points. Number 23, Pandino, dribble the ball. Pass to number 13, Ramos. Step by step for 2 points. Inbound, number 18, pass to number 19. Number 19, dribble the ball. Still by number 02, pass to number 05. Number 05, libre, for 2 points. Number 19, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 18. Number 18, Alpones. Oh. Number 01. First personal foul. First team foul. Inbound. Number 10. Pass to number 15. Senator, face shot, jump shot. For 2 points. Inbound, number 23, Pandino. Pass to number 13. Oh! ESLB team ball! Inbound. Inbound, number 21. Pass to number 19. Number 19, pass to number 21. Pinigay kay number 10, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 15, the Senator for 2 points.
2 points lang.
Number 23, Pandino. Binababa ang bola. Pinasa kay number 19. Oh, number 19 ng kalaban. Pero nice din naman ni Pandino ang bola. Pandino. Dapat napapasahan. Nakita si yun. Nakuha ni number 10 ng PSLB team outside. Blade Master ball. Rebound, number 05, pass to number 02. Jump shot. Offensive foul by number 02. First personal foul. Inbound, number 10, pass to number 18. Number 18, dribble the ball. Binaba na ang bola. Oh, ay pasa sa kalaban. Number 01, pass to number 23. Number 23, binigay kay number 13, Ramos. Ramos, dinerecho na. No good. Nakuha ni number 05 ang bola. Number 05. Last 5 minutes. Score 25-29 in favor of Blade Master team. Number 13. Sanchez, no good. Foul! Who's foul? Number 10. Hana Michi. First personal foul, first team foul. Ramos. Huwag tapakan si Congressman Ernie. No good. Inbound, number 15. Pass to number 18. Number 18, binababa na ang bola. Number 18, dribble the ball. Pass to number 15, the Senator. Jump shot, no good. One in number 21, jump shot for 2 points. Dalawa na lang po ang lamang ng Blade Master team. Score 27-29 in favor of Blade Master team. Number 705, no good ang tirang spot. Nakuha ni number 21 ang bola. Number 21, pass to number 15, the Senator, no good. Follow up by number 10, no good. Nakuha ni number 05 ang bola. Number 05, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 13, Ramos for 2 points. Inbound, number 19, scale by number 02, tinira, no good. Rebound by number 19, may nalaglag sa inyo. Number 19, pass to number 10. Number 10, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 13. Number 13, binababa ang bola. Number 13 is Ramos, dribble the ball. Number 13, outside, same ball. Same ball. Substitution rep. Sa lahat po ng sasab, dapat po lumapit po kayo. Time out, TSLBE team, keeping you in touch. Palabat, palabat, palabat. Okay, back to the ball gate. Inbound. Nawawala, number 13. Number 35. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 23. Pandino. Foul. 3 seconds. 3 seconds violation. Huwag na. Number 10, pass to number 21, pass to number 19, tinira, no good. Rebound by number 13, Ramos. Ramos. Diretso na, no good. Nakuha ni number 14 ang bola ng Blade Master team. Pass to number 13, Ramos. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Score 29-31. Still by number 15. Pass to number 19. Number 19, Simbulan. Sinaliwa pa, no good. Rebound by number 23. Still na naman ni number 15 ang bola. Number 15. Jump shot, no good. Kuha ni number 14 ang bola ng Blade Master team. Pass to number 28. Nakuha ni number 35 ang bola. Number 35. Sumama kay number 30. Jump shot, foul. Number 21. First personal foul, second team foul. Two shots of foul throw. 1 point. That's 1 minute and 20 seconds. No good. One in number 28, pass to number 21, pass to number 10. Number 10, dribble the ball. Number 10, Lorenzo, pass to number 19. Number 19, pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 21. Number 21. Oh, foul by number 14. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Rebound, number 19, pass to number 21. Number 21, sumalaksak pero pinasa. Nakuha ni number 14 ang bola. Pass break to number 35. Number 35, diniretso na. Foul! Number 15. Number 15. First personal foul. Third team 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 foul. Okay, that's one shot. Last one shot to bounce, bro. One point. Last 51 seconds. Second. Number 10. Pass to number 19, back to number 10. Number 10, top shot. Oh, 2 points. Oh. Number 23, Pandino. Last 30 seconds. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 13. Ramos, the ball. Counted by number 28. Counted your rep, not. Not counted. Last 25 seconds. Rebound, number 35, pass to number 14. Bulete. Pass to number 35. Jump shot. 3 points. 15 seconds. 10. Jump shot. No good. Number 14. Oh, the end of the second quarter.
Inbound. Pass to number 11. Number 11, dribble the ball.
Actually, ka ba score?
Number 35. Oh. Wala.
Selo boy.
Number 21, dribble the ball. Pass to number 20. Number 20, tinira na. Foul.
28.
Number 28, second personal foul. First team foul.
Freeze. Bala ka. Inbound, number 32, pass to number 35. Number 35, binaban ang bola. Bola. Number 13, Ramos. Number 15, still. Pass to number 21, Pineda, for 2 points. Number 05, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 13 ang bola, Ramos. Ramos dribble the ball. Number 13, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 11. Number 11, binabaan ang bola. Number 11, dribble the ball. Pass to number 15. Take the shot. Number 21 for 2 points. Inbound, number 28. Pass to number 35. Number 35, binababa ang bola. Pinasa kay number 28. Number 28. Still by number 20. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Dribble the ball. Number 11. Pass to number 21. Jump shot, no good. Number 21. Back by number 13. Nakuha ni number 13 ang bola. But oh, outside. Inbound, number 15. Pass to number 21, jump shot for 2 points. Lamang na po ang TSL DETL ng dalawa. Ramos, number 13, pass to number 28, Juba for 3 points. Number 18, binababa ang bola, change favor. Pass to number 20, number 20, inangat, no good. Rebound by number 13. Number 13, binababa ang bola, pass to number 28. Number 28, dribble the ball, pass to number 13. Number 13, sumalaksak, inangat, offensive foul. Offensive foul. First personal foul. Number 18, pass to number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball, pass to number 15, Senator. No good. Ang tirang is back. Number 28, Dinerecho na. No good. Number 28 again. Pass to number 13, Ramos. Inangat. No good. Nakuha ni number 20 ang bola. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Umikot pa. Still by number 35, Mercolita. Mercolita. Oh. Foul. Muntikan na. Number 21. Subdivision rep. Second personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Rebound number 28, pass to number 35. Number 35, Joe Black by number 19. Nakuha pa rin number 35 ang bola. Pass to number 28. Number 28, jump shot for 2. Number 28. The score 41-38 in favor of Blade Master Team. No good. Number 19 for 2 points.
Ilang championship yun? Balik laro.
Number 23, pass to number 35. Number 35, dribble the ball. Number 35, pass to number 23. Pandinho. No good. Ang tirang spot. Pass breaking number 20 kay number 11. Number 11, jump shot. No good. Okay, number 35 ang bola. Pass to number 23. Number 23, pass break to number 32. Tumagos. Outside. Subdivision. Pasok. Labas. Labas. Pasok. Rebound number 19. Pass to number 18. Number 18, pass break to number 20. Number 20, sumalaksak. Nabitawan ng bola. Outside. Save. Rebound number 11. Pass to number 15. Jump shot. 42. The Senator. 2 points. Number 23, Pandinho. Sinaba na ang bola. Down. Pass. Binigay kay number 05. Big shot. Jump shot. No good. Ako ni number 02 ang bola. Oh! Fancy foul. Double. Number 19. Pass to number 20. Nakuha ni number 20 ang bola. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Binaba ang bola. Number 14. Siniregyo na. Tinira. 14. Number 14. Dulete. Number 19. Number 19. Foul. Counted. Who's foul rep? Number 22. 0-2 ba? Second personal foul. Second team foul. No good. Pass break kay number 01. Lucenio. Outside. PSLBE team ball. Time out. PSLBE team. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 20. Oh. Now, number 05. Belisa. First personal foul, third team foul. Inbound, number 18, pass to number 20. Number 20, Ubigo, jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin number 20, follow up for 2 points. Binaba na ang bola. Still by number 18. Number 18. Oh, pinaputas ang bola. Ang bilis. Number 23, Pandinho. Binaba na ang bola. Pandinho dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Pass break to number 10. Number 10 versus number 28. Jump shot for 2. Lamang na po ang TSL PE team. Last 1 minute and 54 seconds. Score 43-48 in favor of TSL PE team. Number 14, pass to number 05, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 01, jump shot, no good again. Rebound, foul. Number 05, second personal foul, rolling to penalty. Number 19. Steal, pero nakuha ni number 10 ang bola. Number 10, pass to number 19. Number 19, pass to number 20, tinira, no good. Nakuha ni number 01 ang bola, pass to number 23, pass to number 14. Number 14, dribble the ball. Number 14. Pass to number 28. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 23 ang bola, Pandino, inangat, for 2. Inbound number 20, pass to number 10. Number 10. Binaba na ang bola. Last 50 seconds. Number 10, dribble the ball. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Jump shot. No good. Sayang, dagdagan. Nakuha ni number 23 ang bola. Number 23, binababa na ang bola. Pass to number 28. 30 seconds. 8 to shoot. No good. Ang tirang spot. Nakuha ni number 28 ang bola. Number 28. 20 seconds. Jump shot. No good. Outside, same ball. Inbound, number 05. 15 seconds. Oh. Galing sa labas. Galing sa labas. Pumasok sa loob. Tapos pinilabas. Number 19. 10 seconds. What a shot. No good. 2 points. 2 seconds. The end of the third quarter. Gabi na lang sa pagtulog ko, ikaw lang ang panaginip ko. Okay, back to the ball game. Pag ako'y gising na, ikaw pa rin ang nasa isip. Inbound! Inbound, number 02, pass to number 35. Number 35, oh, tumama sa ba? Still by number 21. Number 21, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 10 ang bola. Number 10, kung tumira ng spot, no good. Nakuha ni number 14, Ramos. Pass to number 35. Number 35, oh, malapit na. 8 seconds violation. Inbound. Inbound number 10. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Jump shot. No good. Opening number 20 on board. Foul. Who's foul? Ref. Number 13. Second personal foul. First team foul. Number 15. Inbound. Pass to number 10. Number 10, jump shot. No good. Rebound still by number 10, jump shot again. Oh, no good. Technical. Number 02. Okay. Foul throw. Very good. Rebound, number 23, Pantino, pass to number 45. Oh, my God. Foul. Number 21. Third personal foul, second team foul. Number 35, pass to number 23, Pantino. Pantino, pass to number 02. Godoy, jump shot. No good. Oh, foul. Counter. Who's foul rep? Number 28. Second personal foul. Third team foul. One point. Mula sa tirang foul throw ni number 13. Number 21. Still by number 02. Number 02. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Pinabang ang bola. Pass to number 23. Pantino. Pantino. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Troubling violation. Timeout. TSLB team. Grabe ka. Kung alam mo lang. Magkano? Number 23. Still the number 18. Alcones. Dinerecho na. The Senator. No good. Rebound by number 21. Power up for 2 points. Inbound number 02. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Number 35, 30 for the ball. Pass away to number 13. Number 13, sumalaksak, tinira, no good. Nakuha ni number 05 ang bola. Number 6, still number 20. Pass away to number 21. Number 21, nabukutan ang bola. Number 21, jump shot, no good. Jump ball. Ano yung bola? Jump ball daw? Okay, Sambo. Number 45, pass to number 13. Number 13, Ramos. Ramos, sumalaksak. Tinira, no good. Rebound by number 20, pass to number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 21. Number 21, pass to number 18. Number 18, Generation na. For 2 points. Remaining time, last 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Score for the ATP ball in favor of the SLB ATM. Ramos, no good. Rebound pa rin ni Ramos, no good again. Rebound by number 20, pass to number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball. Number 21, pass to number 10, jump shot for 2. 48-56 in favor of the SLB team. Number 02, Godoy. Binaba na ang bola. Godoy, pass to number 13. Number 13, tinira na for 2 points. Inbound, number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 10.
Sabi number 5.
Number 10. Binaba na ang bola. Number 10, dribble the ball. Pass to number 18. Number 18, back to number 10. Number 10, sumalaksak. Still, nakuha ni number 13 ang bola. Ramos, pass to number 25. Binalik kay Ramos ang bola. Tinira. No good! Nakuha ni number 21 ang TSLB 18. Binaba na ang bola. Number 21, pass to number 18. Number 18, inangat for 2 points. Inbound, number 23, pass to number 22. He's still by number 21. Number 21, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 23, pass to number 05. Number 05, dribble the ball. Number 05, pass to number 13. Ramos. Ramos, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 10 ang bola. Number 10, pass to number 18. Number 18, oh, no good. Nakuha ni number 02, pass to number 23, Pantino. Pass break to number 05. Number 05, tinira na. No good. Rebound by number 13 for 2 points. Time out. TSLB team. Ball. Inbound, number 20. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Binaba na ang bola. Number 19. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Outside. Whose ball? Same ball. Inbound, number 10. Pass to, still there, number 23. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Bulete. Oh, back court. Ligid mo siya pag ganun. Ganun. Inbound, number 18, pass to number 19. Number 19, back to number 18. Number 18, dribble the ball. Pass to number 20, jump shot for 2. Number 35, Marcolita, pinaba na ang bola. Number 35. Nakuha niya pa rin ang bola. Tinira, oh, nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul rap? Number 18. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. Dalawa-dalawa. Sabi. 2 shots of foul throw. No good. Last 1 shot to foul throw. Huh? No good again. Outside. TSLB 18 ball. Inbound number 18, pass to number 15. Number 15, pinababa ng bola. Solis, dribble the ball. Can to shoot. Number 10, pass to number 19, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 14, pass break to number 35. Number 35, inantay foul. Foul count 10. Number 10, second personal foul, penalty. point. Score 55-60 in favor of TSLPE.
TM.
Binababa ni number 18 ng bola. Algones dribble the ball. Algones, number 18. With Milo every day. Diniretso na. No good. Rebound by number 13. Oh, outside. TSLB team ball. Inbound. Inbound number 10. Pass to number 18, 15. Number 15, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni Pandinho ang bola. Pass to number 13, Ramos. Ramos, binaba na ang bola. Number 13. Malaksak. Tinira for 2 points. Rebound number 20. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 19 for 2. Ganda ng paso na na. Still by number 10. Number 10. Number 10, dribble the ball. Lorenzo. No good. Ang tirang spot. Nakuha ni number 19. Follow up for 2 points. Number 19. Time out. Blade Master. Number 05, binigay kay number 13 ng bola. Number 13, through the ball. Number 13. Oh, ang tawag. Whose ball? Same ball. Same ball. Inbound number 05, pass number 28. Number 28, take shot, binigay kay number 05 ang bola. Number 05. Still with number 19, pass to number 10, pero mas mabilis si number 35. Number 35, Mercolita. Binaba na ulit ang bola. Pass to number 28. Number 28, block by number 20. Ang laki nun. Pass break kay number 18. Number 18, no good. Nakuha ni number 13 ang bola, Ramos. Ramos, oh, nakabitawan ang bola. Nakuha ni number 20. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Tatlo sila. For 2 points. Pass break kay number 35 kay number 23. Pandinho. Pandinho. Pass to number 05. Number 05. Luceño. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 10. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Score 57-66 in favor of bawal yan, boss. Technical. Number 05. Technical. Unsport man behavior. One point. Okay, last 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 10, dribble the ball. Pass to number 18, binigay kay number 3 to shoot. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 13, pass to number 23. Plus 2 minutes. Number 25, Jubak, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 10. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Number 19, Simbulan. Pass to number 10. Oh, foul. Number 02. Number 02, warning to graduate, second team foul. Number 10, Lorenzo. Binigay kay number 18, Algornes. No good. Ang tirang spot. Rebound by number 13. Number 13, oh. Nakuha niya pa rin ang bola. Dribble the ball. Number 13, oh, block by number 20. Pass to number 19. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Jump shot, oh, foul. Number 02, Broadway. 13 foul. No good. One point. Last one shot to Paltrow. Kulang pa kayo ng isang player kay 1 point. Inbound. Number 23, pass to number 20, pass to number 14. Number 14, jump shot, slap by number 20, rebound by number 20, pass to number 15. Number 15, Solis. Okay, dapat. Taas niya yung kamay niya. Number 23, pass to number 13. For 2 points. Last 31 seconds. Number 19, Sibulan. Napitawan ng bola, nakuha ni number 23, Pandino, pass break steal by number 10. Alright, down. Score 59-69. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Player of the game.
Dalawa.
Sino?
21-18.
Player of the game, 21 and 18. Dalawa sila. 21 and 18. Ang player